I'm gonna be running work orders today. It's a Monday. There's quite a bit of them. Hopefully we can put a good dent in the amount of work orders that are open. Let's jump right in. Seems to be draining fine. Check the disposal. Whoa. Look at that, there's a knife right in there. I didn't even see that. Now let's check it. Do you know anything about a clogged drain? Huh? Might have meant the bathroom. This one's draining fine too. Where's the clogged drain? Do you know? Well, check the sink drain, couldn't find anything. Let's head to the next one. How does this even happen? Like, did it fall or? I don't know. So I gotta grab a tool to get this ring off because I don't have the key for this. But I may be an idiot. Let me go grab a latch, see if I can fix this. Got a couple of latches. Here's that tool to get this lock off these commercial locks. But let me try something real quick before we do that. This latch may have just fell into the void. So all I gotta do is turn this handle and this should go right in if it's long enough. I don't think it's long enough. All right, it was long enough. Don't hear that saying that often. Now I just need to button everything back up and test it. Now let's test it. Cool, can no longer walk in. So last week I had to take out a shower cartridge insert to stop some water hammering. It was making a real bad noise. When I tried to put the insert back in, the O-ring broke. I temporarily put on a O-ring that was too small. We didn't have the right size, and the inserts are 60 bucks for 2 of them. I've got them on order, but in the meantime, I picked this up and I'm gonna try and get this insert to stop leaking by because it's a slow drip now. Here's the insert in question. You can see it's not sitting there good at all. This one may fit. Maybe. It's kind of sticking out a little bit. We'll see if it slides in there flush. If not, I'll use a smaller O-ring. pretty good. No more drip. That was a relief. Last week I spent a couple hours trying to find the right size O-ring just from what we had on hand. When I ordered a kit, as you've seen, that repair took about 7-8 minutes. That's what I like. Let's head to the next one. Just got an emergency call. Key stuck in front door. I'm excited. Got the WD-40. Let's go. Sticking. Now it's hard for me to show you this on the camera, but it's rubbing. This key is definitely rubbing. So I'm gonna pop these pins out and put new pins in, and it's gonna be used on the same key. Try not to lose the springs. I know we've got replacements in there, but I try not to lose these. Once they fall, they're hard to find on the ground. Just drop all these out. Right off the bat, I know why it's sticking. I'm no locksmith, but in my experience, if you're using these little spacers, like right here, you shouldn't need to do that. Not with these locks anyway. I've never had to do that. I always just get the exact one and never have problems. When people use these spacers to rekey them for whatever reason, that's when we have issues. There's a little button that needs to be pressed down so this can turn. The button's all the way in. There we go. You don't want to lose the spring in here. Just gonna take that out for now. Slide out the lock. So now we got our empty lock. We have 5 master pins that are gonna go on top. And quick set, these are all labeled by number. And if you want, you can go right off the key. 24552 and insert them into the holes. Now while you could do that, you can see some jackasses have already put the wrong pins in the wrong spot. But we're gonna try anyway. I've got my key in, and there's the number 2 pin, the purple. We've got 554 or 2455. So we'll put another 2 in. See how that sits flush? That's how you want the pins. Now, there's more greens in this, so this might be a 4. Yep. And then 2 5s, I think. Now, there's our pins. Everything is flush. You don't want it over, you don't want it under. You don't want to use those stupid spacers. Not on this type of lock anyway. I'm sure they have a purpose. Not on this property, they don't. Stick that in there. Pin back. Drop your 5 master pins in, 1 for each hole. Drop your springs in. Put your top back on, should snap on. No rubbing at all on the key. For this next work order, the door is sticking. I've already tried moving the frame with the 2x4. I bent the hinges, adjusted the hinges, did everything I could to the hinges. I've got this $20 Ryobi planer that sits on a drill that I'm gonna use on it. I got a lot of crap for this in a shorts video that I made on why I just don't buy a $40 planer, that it works so much better. Maybe, but this costs $20 and works fine. Let's see where it's sticking. Hot stuff glue time. Well, that took way too long, but carpentry is definitely not my strong suit. It is my weakest trait, but I got the job done and the door frame is painted. It's not sticking anymore, and we can go on to some other fun stuff. To it. Gonna take my hour-long lunch break since I don't have to get my daughter today, and probably I'm gonna go to the gym. Monday, chest day, let's get it. Feeling refreshed after that lunch break. Got about an hour left of scheduled work, so let's bang out some more work orders. I know I should use graphite for this, but I don't have any on me. Even the gear case broke. That is so random. So we've got several slats that are broke. Now these things are like $2-3 a piece. All you need is a stapler. Line it up. Just like that. Dishwasher says dishes are clean. Let's see if it's lying or not. Bam! There's the problem. The pod is not dissolving. If you watch the channel, you already know what's wrong. But wait a minute. That might be an issue too, you think? Yep. I can see how these dishes aren't getting clean. Let's go ahead and fix this. Let's just check this filter to be nice. Definitely seen worse. Piece of glass. Look at that. That's a problem waiting to happen. Get stuck in those drain pumps. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back. Let's clean this while we're here. Snap that filter back in. Here's our bottom spray arm. Snapped in. Yeah, this will clean much better with that on. I am officially off the clock. Today is finished. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me and knocking out some of these work orders today. I'm gonna spend the rest of my evening editing the vlog from Friday, and hopefully I can get that posted tonight and start editing the vlog from today. These vlogs do take me sometimes 3-4 hours to do. I'm gonna start just not recording every work order I can. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just know it takes a ton of time, so I hope y'all enjoy them. Until the next one, I'm Dave. Cheers.